Who do you turn to when the police station is the scene of crime? Who protects you from the police? A young Kenyan teacher, Albert Ojwang, was arrested from his parents' home. They were having lunch. He was driven 350 kilometers to Nairobi, to Central Police Station, and the next day, he was dead. Police say he had been arrested for false publication over a social media post. They claim that he banged his head against the wall of his cell, and when they rushed him to hospital, he was pronounced dead. But his dad, who saw his body, said the injuries are consistent with torture. It was not until after national outrage that they interdicted the Central Police Station commander, the officer in duty, and the police officers involved, but they were not named.
We have to do away with the police officers who are killing innocent Kenyans. We have to do away with those people. Kilichoanza kama kukamatwa kwa madai ya kuchapisha habari za uongo sasa kimegeuka kuwa kilio cha taifa, huku kukiwa na shutuma za mateso, kuficha ukweli na kupuuza waziwazi haki za binadamu. Mwanahabari wetu Sharon Momanyi na habari kuhusu ghadhabu inayoongezeka ya umma na maswali yenye kutatanisha yanayozunguka saa za mwisho za Ojwang.
Hali ya hewa jijini Nairobi leo ilijaa hasira na simanzi.
We have to do away with the police officers who are killing innocent Kenyans. We have to do away with those people. Those DCI who arrested this Albert, they must be arrested. They must be arrested. You cannot tell us that you are doing away with OCS and some few officers who were at the station and they never arrested this guy. Of course they knew what had happened. But the people who arrested this young man all the way from Migori to Nairobi, those are the people. We can't go on like that, Bana. We can't keep killing young people, innocent young people. We can't, Bana. We can't. We really can't keep killing young people like that. We cannot. We should not. It should not be. We cannot normalize killing people. No, Bana.
Your comrade.
No, that is not what we are trying to do. We were trained to kill killers. I was trained to kill killers. The likes of Al-Shabaab and murderers. People who have committed capital offenses under penal code. Those are the people, if you meet them and you know they are danger to the society, come forth. Sawa. Yeah? Those are the people we are trained to kill, not innocent people who are just writing on screen. You with some big egos. Oh, si you umeandikiwa kwa mitandao, oh akake ati unaambiwa nini? You can be abused. I mean, Donald Trump, the American president, is abused every day. He's abused every day. Who are you? I hate it when some few police officers wanapaka tope polisi wengine ambao they are working so hard every day. I feel bad. It feels very bad. I am a former police officer, so I feel bad when jina inaharibiwa tu na watu ambao wanapenda tu unapiga. Acha nipige habari.
Now, there's this story that is trending about this ex-influencer called Albert Ojwang. Now, Albert Ojwang was an ex-influencer, or in other words, alikuwa an influence pale Twitter. But about 2 days ago, Albert Ojwang alishikwa huko pande za Homa Bay. Akapelekwa all the way hadi Nairobi. But waking up after 18 hours, babake anaambiwa that Albert Ojwang is already dead. The death was not the source of death, like ilikuwa kitu ingine so weird. Ati Albert Ojwang alijigongesha kichwa kwa ukuta, which later made him die. That is the statement that mapolisi wanaambia wa Kenya. Now, we are all proud to be Kenyan citizens. Up until tunaona vitu saizi endelea hapa Kenya. Nobody can be held or nobody can feel proud again of being a Kenyan. Kila mtu alikuwa proud Kenyan up until uone venye sahi people are being mistreated. Watu wanatitiwa ni kama wale ni wenye wametumwa tu kuja hapa Kenya. Sisi ni kama wamezaliwa kuwa hapa Kenya. Ni kama wametumwa manze.
This story of Albert Ojwang, may his soul rest in peace. But it seems this government never learns. This government never learns. Because you will hear them wondering, how did Kenyans go back to the streets? And they are the cause of it all. These are the things that make Kenyans go back to the streets. Mishandling of arrests, mishandling of Kenyans on social media. How can someone die in prison? How is that even possible? And then you come and tell us he committed suicide. Tunajua huo ni mchezo wa town. We know that's just a cover up. How is that even possible? Kenyans need answers and they need them fast.
Huyu Albert tumtafutie haki yake, si ndio? Si lazima tumtafutie haki yake. Nani kuambia wewe Kasongo, shida ile uko nayo inakusumbua ni damu ya Gen Z iko mkononi mwako mkiwa na ile mtu ya soprano. Sasa wewe umeongeza damu nyingine ya Albert. Utaendelea kuhangaika hapa mpaka unajiongelesha. Si ndio? Jesi mpo? Muko tayari? Tuungane pamoja. Tufukuze huyu Kasongo.